dear students, hope you all are fine. My name is Sabira Mubashir and I'm your mathematics teacher. Today I'm going to teach you subtraction with borrowing. But before heading towards the actual lesson, let me ask you some questions. Do you know what is borrowing? Why there is a need to take borrow? Let's think a situation. For example, you are in a class and you want to write something but you don't have a pencil. What will you do? Obviously, you borrow a pencil from your friends. Obviously, same things goes with the numbers. Think about a situation where you need a pencil but you don't have it. What will you do? Obviously, you will borrow it from a friend. Same things goes with the numbers. For example, let's have a look on the board. Whenever there is a smaller digit that needed to be subtracted from a bigger one, obviously that smaller digit needed to be take a borrow from the next number. For example, here the 6 is smaller digit than 8. So what will we do? Obviously, the 6 will take borrow from 2. Basically, in mathematics, we take borrow from the numbers to make it bigger. We can call it trading too. Now let's start subtraction with a fun borrowing activity named as regrouping rhyme. The regrouping rhyme is as more on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Number is the same, 0 is the game. Now I'm going to take an example and show you its solution by using our regrouping rhyme. As you can see on the board, there is a number 136 that needed to be subtracted from 2. Remember the rhyme? The first two lines say, more on the top, no need to stop. As you can see, there is 6. Obviously, that is greater than 2. So there is no need to stop. You can easily subtract 6 from 2. Let's subtract it. 6 minus 2 will give you 4. The other two numbers will follow as it is. Let's take another example. As you can see, there is a number 136 that needed to be subtracted from 6. As the number 4, as the digit 4 is smaller than the digit 6, so it cannot be divided simply as we did it in previous example. Remember the rhyme, what it was saying? More on the floor, go to next door, get 10 more. So in this example, the 4 is smaller and there is a bigger number 6 on the floor. So what will be 4 do? It will go to the next door and take 10 more. Let's take a borrow. 4 will take borrow from 3 and it will become 14. Don't forget to rewrite this number. As it gives borrow, it will become 2. Now, it will become 14, that is bigger. So you can easily subtract 14 from 6. Now, let's subtract. What it will become? It will become 8. The other two numbers will follow as it is. Now we are going to take third example and solve it by regrouping rhyme. As you can see, there is a number 135 that is needed to be subtracted from 5. Remember the last lines of the regrouping rhyme? It was saying number is the same, 0 is the game. That is obviously true. You can easily subtract 5 from 5. It will give 0. 0 is the game. The other two numbers will follow as it is. So by using regrouping rhyme, as you can see, you can easily subtract all the number. Now let's take another example in which we needed to be subtracted a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. As you can see, there is more on the floor and we cannot subtract 2 from 3. What will you do? Remember the rhyme. Go to next door, get 10 more. Don't forget to write this number. Get 10 more. What it will become? It will become 12. Now you needed to minus 12 from 3. It will become 9. Now subtract this number from 1. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. 1 will follow as it is. See? Now let's the same example and try to solve it with another technique. There is a technique known as telemark. Telemark technique is more convenient to more of the student that it can easily make the subtraction technique easy. For example, 142 needed to be subtracted from 13. For this example, you can draw the telemark. For example, here is 2. Obviously, according to the rhyme, 2 cannot be subtracted from 3. So you need to take 10 from the previous number. Write it as it is. Now, for 12, you needed to draw the telemarks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the telemarks. Now you have to cut out the telemarks according to the floor number. Cut the 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we cut the 3 telemarks. Count the remaining 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write that number here. Now, draw the telemark from the other number. 3. 1, 2, 3. Subtract the floor number, that is 1. Count the remaining 1. 1, 2. Write the number here. As there is no number, so the 1 will follow as it is. This is the most convenient way to most of the students. So you can follow this technique or you can follow the rhyme technique. This is all from my side. Hope you get the concept. Don't forget to practice. See you again. Allah Hafiz.